numbers. So starting from ones means simply a number. For example, if I say 5 ones, so 5 ones means only 5, 9 ones means only 9, 8 ones only 8. So after ones comes tens. So tens, it is written as 1 with a 0. For example, 7 tens. So 7 tens is written as 70. 5 tens is written as 50. 3 tens is written as 30. And in tens, we have 1 with a single 0. After tens comes hundreds. So in 100, there are 2 zeros. For example, if I say 600. So 600 means 6 with 2 zeros. So this is 600. After hundreds comes thousands. So in thousands, there are 3 zeros. So in tens, 1 zero. In hundreds, 2 zeros. Thousands, there are 3 zeros. So if I say 9,000, so this means 9 with 3 zeros. 1, 2 and 3. So after 1000 comes 10,000. So 10,000 has, in 1000 there are 3 zeros, in 10,000 there are 4 zeros. For example, 90,000. So 90,000, this will be 9 with 4 zeros. So in 10,000s, we have 3 zeros. So in 10,000s, we have 4 zeros. So next comes lakh. So in lakh, there are 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 5 zeros in lakh. For example, if I say 5 lakhs, so this will be 5 with 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we call it 5 lakhs. Next comes, after lakh, 10 lakh. So in lakh, there are 5 zeros. In 10 lakhs, there are 6 zeros. So there are 6 zeros in 10 lakhs, and after 10 lakhs comes crore. And in crore, there are 7 zeros. That is 1 and 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And crore can also be written as, so this can also be written as 100 lakh. So we call crore a 100 lakh. So this is 100 and 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So crore is also called as 100 lakh. So these are some big numbers. In tens, there is 1 zero, hundreds, 2 zeros, thousands, 3, 10,000, 4. In lakhs, there are 5 zeros. In 10 lakhs, 6. And in crore, there are 7 zeros. And we also call it 100 lakh.